Hey y'all, welcome back to the party. It's me, your girl, BrittReacts, and today we're reacting to Whose Line Is It Anyway? Sound effects, pregnancy. Let's see what happens.
Follow me right over here.
Did they pick two ladies? Okay, good. Okay, girl.
Where's my, okay, here you go. Here's a microphone for you and a microphone for you. Now, what's going to happen, Charlene and Michelle? So you're going to do a
Where is Drew Carey from? I just heard what's gonna happen. Is that like a Midwest accent? Where's he from? Wisconsin?
you and a microphone for you. Now, what's going to happen, Charlene and Michelle? So you're going to do a scene with Ryan and Colin. Ryan and Colin are going to do a scene first, and you're going to do the sound effects for the scene for them. Charlene, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin, and Michelle, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. It's going to be really fun. You get to be part of the show. You're going to be great. The scene is Ryan is a husband, and Colin is his heavily pregnant wife. You're at an amusement park when Colin suddenly goes into labor and has to get to the hospital.
Oh,
You're at an amusement park when you go into labor
Why
and you
would
have to
she
get to the
be at an
hospital.
amusement
You guys
park?
are doing the sound effects.
Heavily
Take
pregnant.
it away whenever you're ready.
Empty.
Maybe this one. Silencer.
Yeah. Shoot straight, honey.
All right.
Oh, there's gum in there. How are you?
You know, maybe if we do a little more walking, it'll get the process going.
Let's go on the roller coaster. That'll get the baby going.
All right.
The roller
The big
coaster?
scream of whirling noise.
I didn't see the big scream of
It's the
whirling
loudest
noise.
roller coaster in the world.
Are you sure you're ready for that?
I'm ready.
All right. 2, please.
Excuse me.
These ladies are too calm for their scene. They're too chill. I cannot.
Excuse me.
Click.
Okay.
Hang on.
Oh,
Okay.
My water broke. That was my water breaking.
Here on the ride?
Yeah.
And we're stuck at the top. What a time for your water to break.
Well, it wasn't like I was planning this 9 months ago,
Okay.
mister.
All right, relax.
what happened to the audio,
Got
guys?
everything in the bag. I've got the gloves.
That was good timing.
You brought the laughing gloves.
Oh. All right, we're gonna need hot
He said
water.
Bing.
But we're on top of... Oh, that was handy. Thank you.
What?
Wow.
What a friendly seagull.
Ew.
All right. Sit back.
Ew.
I think I see the head.
Oh, isn't it smart?
Have either of these women ever been pregnant? Or even like at on the scene for any type of emergency? There's like no urgency from them whatsoever. I cannot. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is great.
Okay. Push, honey.
So
Breathe.
Good, 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 good.
Here it is. It's coming.
Ah!
It's the cops.
It's like, oh.
Don't shoot.
No cop's gonna keep my baby human in this world.
Oh, look, there's a ladder. Why don't we just climb down? Come on.
If only.
All right.
If only it were that easy. Do you know how many just the baby back up in there? I gotta see that again.
The ladder. Don't shoot.
No cop's gonna keep my baby human in this
cannot.
world.
Oh, look, there's a ladder. Why don't we just climb down? Come on.
Oh my God.
All right.
This
Taxi!
is so bad.
Taxi! Everyone, put your pants back on. Oh, it's screaming at you with a baby hanging out of you like that. Taxi!
I'll whistle.
I'm in
This street's
distress.
to a halt, if I'm not mistaken.
Jim!
You sat on a cockatoo. All right, take us to the hospital, quick. Oh, that was quick.
Bam!
I don't think I could do any better at this, but this is so bad. Their sound effects are so bad. I can't. You got shot?
Someone shot me. Oh, that was quick.
Bam!
You okay?
Someone shot me. Why would someone shoot me?
I don't know.
This was by far the most absurd skit I think I've watched. They are a match made in heaven.
Gloria?
Match made in heaven. The guys, not the ladies. Oh, that was fantastic, actually. I love that. I mean, the roller coaster ride, literally, that we went on, but how he ended up getting shot is like, where, what? I loved it. I love them so much. I love this show, guys. It really brightens up my day. I hope it does for you as well. And I hope you have all the days you deserve.